Kiama ya Azimio nionanite muthuro jo kumania na iku na ngurari iria andamani baba ingi baragwete kiri maandamano jethirite jakioneka ntere mwanya mwankeguru batongerete mutongere wa kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka atongere baba baugite ni bakuthugania kuthitanga baria bonthe bakwiringithanwa na uragani kiri koti ya Kimanthiguru ya ICC parite jandire boka disibitari ni Kenyatta National Hospital kureitha baria bari sibitari kubana na ngurario cia maandamano jaja. Anthony Kathenya na kurikithia
wataniro ndigani na thirikari ya Azimio itongeretwe ni mutongero wa kiama kia Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka na balaba kwaragia nyuma kuthithia ndionga thibitari ni ya Kenyatta kiri mwana bila bigutungata thibitari ni yu nyuma ya kugwata ngurario cia risasi kiri maandamano kiuma giki leo ni ugiteka iregamba koti ni ya Kimanthiguru ya ICC kuthitanga Rais William Ruto no ntubawe kinai bagutumira borisi kuraga imwana bingi maandamano ni mama methirito makithina mbele.
But in my view, as senior counsel, we're going to document every case, perhaps even revisit the International Criminal Court, and this time talk to them about the atrocities committed against the Kenyan people by a regime which is heartless, which calls its own citizens traitors, they're committing treasonous, treasonous acts.
Kulingana na thibitari ya Kenyatta, thibitari no nemukirite antu 200 na antu 2 bagikujaga nyuma ya gukinya thibitari ni ino o kagita kale maandamano mama matiyete antu nkiru kia kibao bakwite kulingana na ikundi bya gutetera gioto kia mwingi ajari bamwe tamwe kurojo gwitwa Zahara batikumenya nale ana bao bali mpaka omde
8 o'clock at night.
Stop all these stories. Just a minute. Please, I'm begging. What are we supposed to do? Nimeatafuta kila mahali. Hao waliniambia niko je mpaka kesho. Si mgonjwa nimeleta. I want just to require. Where is my grandson? Get right.
Thank you. So you can see, you can begin to imagine the trauma, the suffering by the Kenyan people and this nation. As we speak, we have a nation that is deeply troubled, deeply insecure. I don't think there's any Kenyan who is feeling happy today. I don't even think William Ruto himself is feeling happy because I'll be shocked if he was. Because as a parent, how does he wake up every morning and imagine what happened?
Kulingana na Kalonzo Musyoka wikina ebola buthithitu ni bonene na balaba thithiti maite mama no mpasi bajukirwa atua jake watho kienda kia balaba tete mioyo yomba kugwatikana.
So this cannot continue. In a democracy, it cannot continue. And by the way, I want to ask William, is this a democracy or a military dictatorship? Kenyans are asking all these questions.
Amono gungwatanirwe ni Azimio no lutia Rais William Ruto kuumire na kumeneli mekaleka mama maimwana kulagwa ni polisi mutugole wikinyume na watho ngwatanirwe ni Azimio kimenagire muri wa thirikari Isaac Mwaura inspector muneno wa polisi Japhet Koome no ntubwa kulega kwalilie mekaleka mama.
You can see that style of abducting student leaders, of terrorizing them, perhaps trying to indoctrinate them. This is not the country our forefathers fought for. And yet, not a word since the happenings on Tuesday from the so-called government spokesperson, not a word from Inspector General of Kenya Police, or the commandant here, the infamous Bungei. And I want to look at William Ruto in the face. I hope he's looking at me. And tell him to rise above himself and realize he has instruments of power and order the stoppage of killing of young Kenyans.
Kuma muji muneno Nairobi, Beta Anthony, Rangi wa Kathenya.